Hey everybody, it's Ken Birdsall here from Sunnyside Chevrolet. Today we're going to check out what's new on the new 2019 Chevy Spark. I got a 2018 here behind me, and I got the new 2019s. So stick around, we're going to take a look at what's new. I'm not going to cover every single little detail, but I'm going to cover as much as possible. There's three main categories to look at, so stick around and check it out. Alright, so like I said, there's going to be three main categories that we're going to look at. New things. First thing is a general category of your front end changes. Now, this is an Activ trim, this is a LS, and this is an 18LT. Both of these are 19s. We'll kind of cover the new color options going on here. But the Activ trim does not change exterior. Everything stays the same, so don't look for anything new there. The LS, I don't have an LT here on the lot yet, so I'm just trying to work with what we got. But we're going to kind of compare what's different here. Biggest thing, again, we look at 18, and then look at 19, look back at 18, look back at 19. All right, wider grille. This really helps it fall in line with the rest of Chevy's lineup. It's a nice wider grille. It's a little bit more aggressive looking. And if you know the 2019 Cruze, you'll recognize that chrome bar. I think it's really where they stole it from. I know the Cruze is going away, but that is a key look that just helps the Spark fall in line with everything else again. Chevy designed the new fascia. They called it Expressive new fascia. So some things, I'm going to go over headlamp changes in that, but just a general look around the grille as well is just a different look. It looks a little bit more sporty. Again, falling in line maybe a little bit more with the Malibu. I think it's just helping bring an update. I think it's about due for an overhaul. This is not an overhaul. This is just some a little bit of a facelift this year. The new projector beam headlamps. Now, these are the old lamps on the 18s. Stays the same on the Activ trim, but on the LS, 1LT and 2LT, you get projector beam headlamps now, which is just a lot better for seeing at night. Daytime running lamps run all the time. On the 1LT and 2LT, this chrome strip here is actually LED daytime running lamps. We'll see that when we get one here on the lot. I'll do a video for you guys, but just so you kind of know what's headed or what's up there. Again, the 1LT and 2LT get the LED daytimes, and they get rid of the fog lamps on those trims. It's kind of replacement there. But that's the first thing. Again, it's just a front end, knowing what's changed between those two. Second thing we're going to look at is the changes, just some general exterior changes. We got some new wheels. They're still 15-inch, just a couple new wheel designs. That's the 18 style. And as we look at the 19s, you still have your 15-inch steel wheels as the standard wheel, and then the Activ as well gets this kind of sporty look to it. So that's one thing there. New colors. Everybody loves new colors. This right here on the left is a passion fruit. It's kind of a purple color. This one's really cool. I like it. And then this one right here is called Caribbean Blue Metallic. And in the video, it almost gives a kinetic blue kind of feel, but it's more of a teal. So it's not really the same there. But if you're trying to compare it to what Chevy has, this is a little different. The other two new colors, Orange Burst Metallic, which is not new to Chevy, but it is new to the Spark. If you back up to the beginning of the video, you'll see that one in there. And if you're familiar with any of the other Chevy vehicles, you'll see Orange Burst in there. Raspberry is a fourth new color. That one is a late arrival, so we'll have to take a look at that one later. Sorbet, which is our 2018 display here today, that one has gone away, as well as Brimstone Mint and splash. So just some general exterior changes. All right, the third category we're going to look at is interior changes. Fabric changes. You see the pattern, the design, kind of like different cubes and weird shapes. And then here's the 19. This is the new pattern design for the 19. Now, if you get a 2LT, which again we don't have one here yet, but I'm going to show you, kind of get you a general idea. If you get a 2LT with this Caribbean blue or the orange metallic, this seat, again, this isn't Activ, so don't use this as an example, but this, you'll get a stripe like this down the center of your seat, just with the orange or the Caribbean blue on the 2LT trim only, okay? Make sure you understand that. That stripe will match the color of the outside, either Caribbean blue or orange metallic, as well as the vents, air vents, will match that color as well. So something very unique to the 2LT trim. I want to show you, I'm going to go back over to the 18 to remind you, the OnStar buttons are on your rear view mirror, and on the 2019 they've moved it up to the upper console. It's really, I think that's a great idea, because a lot of people go to adjust your mirror and you're calling OnStar. So good to see that going away. Your HVAC halo ring. So at night this will be a little bit easier to tell, but you can see the little bit of a blue ring around the outside there. That's on the 18. The 2019 has changed that color to white. See if I can get that a little bit clearer for you guys. So change it to white, so just a little change there. As well as on the 2019, you get two new USB ports down. They're data ports, and they are illuminated. It's hard to see in the middle of the day here, but those are illuminated. You get the new 7-inch MyLink radio with Infotainment System 3. So it's the same size radio, it's all touchscreen. It's just some, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all Bluetooth, all that goes the same, but you're just getting the new infotainment system. And lastly, and this is again just with the 2LT, if you get the driver confidence package, which is only available on the 2LT, it now includes a low-speed automatic, forward automatic braking is included with that package. So pretty cool. Again, only on the 2LT. So there's some interior changes, technology changes, just getting some upgrades, getting the Spark up there with the rest of the Chevy lineup. Again, this is right here at Sunnyside Chevrolet in Elyria, Ohio. If you have any questions or want to come see them, give me a call at 440-365-7311. You can send me an email too, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for checking out the channel. Make sure you subscribe and share.